Hi, my name's Angela Willie, and I'm from the Free Library of Philadelphia. I am going to be reading an excerpt from Judy Blume's Are You There, God? It's Me, Margaret. This was one of my favorite books as a young tween, I would say, because it dealt with a lot of issues like God and sex and boys and school. So, here we go. I went to Christmas Eve services with the Wheelers at the United Methodist Church at Farbrook. I asked Nancy if I had to meet the minister. Are you kidding? She said. The place will be mobbed. He doesn't even know my name. I relaxed after that and enjoyed most of the service, especially since there wasn't any sermon. The choir sang for 45 minutes instead. I got home close to midnight. I was so tired my parents didn't question me. I fell into bed without brushing my teeth. Are you there, God? It's me, Margaret. I just came home from church. I love the choir. The songs were so beautiful. Still, I didn't really feel you, God. I'm more confused than ever. I'm really trying hard to understand, but I wish you'd help me a little. If only you could give me a hint, God. Which religion should I be? Sometimes I wish I'd been born one way or the other. Grandma came back from her cruise in time to pack up and head for Florida. She said New York had nothing to offer since I was gone. She sent me 2 postcards a week, called every Friday night, and promised to be home before Easter. Our phone conversations were always the same. I talked first. Hello, Grandma. Yes, I'm fine. They're fine. School's fine. I miss you too. Then my father talked. Hello, Mother. Yes, we're fine. How's the weather down there? Well, it's bound to come out sooner or later. That's why they call it the Sunshine State. Then my mother talked. Hello, Sylvia. Yes, Margaret's really fine. Of course I'm sure. Okay, and you take care too. Then I talked a second time. Bye, Grandma. See you soon. During the second week in January, Mr. Benedict announced that the 6th grade girls were going to see a movie on Friday afternoon. The 6th grade boys were not going to see the movie. At that time, they would have a discussion with the boys' gym teacher from the junior high. Nancy passed me a note. It said, "Here we go, a big deal sex movie."